So this is just a quick and simple tutorial to teach you how to use the touchscreen control panel in the Scale Up Classroom. And when you approach it, it'll be off. Just touch it and it should wake up. And you should get this screen right here that shows instructor mode or student mode. As an instructor, you would choose instructor mode and it would bring up the keypad control panel. Now you should have received the combination in an email, and so you should just type it in and then hit enter and you'll get this screen here. Now this screen has on the left your video sources. In the middle, it's where you want them to be displayed, and then on the right are your volume controls. The first thing I want you to pay attention to is the top, where it shows video presets 1 and 2. If you choose 1, you'll notice it should say wall on all of the displays in the middle. That means it's going to show whatever is plugged into the wall plate on all the screens in the room. If you choose video preset 2, it will then give you this screen here, which you notice shows every display is showing whatever is hooked up at its table. So that would be if the students wanted to use and wanted to use a display associated with their table so they can just see their work. If you wanted to show a particular table, what you would do is over on the left, you would touch the button, table 1, table 2, table 3, whichever table you wanted to show, and then in the middle, where it shows all displays, you would just simply touch the big black button that says what is showing on the display. So if you touch table 3 on the left and then touch display 1 and display 2 and display 3 and display 4, it would show table 3 on each of those displays. Also over on the far right side are your volume controls. There's the source, which is whatever computer is plugged in. That's the audio you could hear. You can turn the volume up and down there. And then the other one is for your microphone, if you have the wireless microphone in the room. To turn the system off, just hit the big shutdown button at the top, and you will get a confirmation screen if you really want to shut down. And if you say yes, it'll take you back to the home screen to choose instructor mode or student mode. If you choose student mode does not require a combination. It simply allows students after hours to use the room as a group study room where they can use whatever screen is associated with their table. There's also no audio controls in student mode. Now if you are using a PC in this room, a laptop, PC, Windows laptop, you won't need any kind of adapters or anything to use the system. However, if you're using a Mac laptop, there are various adapters you might need, such as the mini display port to VGA or the Thunderbolt display port to either VGA or HDMI as shown here on the screen. If you are using an iPad, older iPads would need the 30-pin connectors as shown here, and the newer iPads use the Lightning connectors also shown here. You can check out any of these adapters from the circulation desk upstairs on the second floor to use while you are here in the classroom.